This 2023 Airstream Flying Cloud 25 FBQ Queen Hatch Bunk is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features a Seattle Mist, Sunlit Maple interior, sleeps 6, refrigerator, spare tire kit, TV, smoke detector, stove top burner, LP detector, external shower, air conditioning, awning, water heater, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Airstream Flying Cloud 25 FBQ Queen Hatch Bunk is 5,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.